One of the things for you to understand as you're looking at the applications of emotional intelligence testing is the 3 different levels of psychometric tools and the qualifications that you need to use them. So level A assessment tools basically can be used by any professional. They're very hard to misuse, and generally speaking, they provide a kind of overview information that doesn't have bad news in it. It tells somebody that they're more like this than this, or that this is a strength of theirs, and with relatively little training, you can be effective with the level A tool. A level B tool can cause psychological harm if misused. And so it's important that you have more robust training to make sure that you're using it in a way that's ethical and appropriate. Frequently, level B tools are collecting confidential data, and that they have to be carefully handled. And so a rigorous training program is important. Generally speaking, you need a master's degree that includes specific coursework on psychometric assessment, or an in-depth certification training that covers ethical use and how you can avoid causing psychological harm with these tools. If you're using an emotional intelligence test without sufficient training, please go back and find a different provider who treats this seriously. This is very important data that has a huge richness in it, and it's not something that in a couple of hours you're going to learn to do well. Take this seriously, and it will serve you very well. Level C assessments generally require a doctoral degree, or they're used in clinical situations. Often they require a license to be able to use a level C assessment, or you need to be under the direct supervision of a doctor, somebody with a doctoral level training in using these kinds of assessments in the setting where they're used. So for most of us, we're going to be looking at level A or level B tools. Level A tools can be very good. A strongly built level A tool can synthesize robust data and present it in a way that's easy to access. And I think these have excellent application when they're used in training programs or introducing people to a concept. And a good level A tool will give an aha effect. People look at it and go, wow, I understand this concept and I understand myself in a new way. A level B tool can be transformational. It takes people to a much deeper level of understanding, looking at how their strengths and weaknesses are interplaying and some of their development areas. And frequently, people are using emotional intelligence tests to help people grow and develop their emotional intelligence. And you can do that with a level A tool. But of course, with a level B tool, where you're going to be looking at a more robust picture of strengths and weaknesses, it's probably going to be more effective for more in-depth work.